purpose of this workshop was to really celebrate the amazing capacity, experience and knowledge from the UK and from Colombia, and to bring people from a whole range of organisations together to see how we could tackle together, talking to people about the environment in the best way.
We've been extremely fortunate to collaborate with the Eden Project in the United Kingdom to bring a public engagement workshop here in Colombia, in Bogotá. And the reason for this is to build capacity in a large community of institutions about public engagement, about the importance of science, about the importance of talking about science.
Considero que uno de los aspectos más importantes fue haber conocido a personas y a distintas perspectivas que tenemos para ayudar a conservar la diversidad en nuestro país.
We've seen some fantastic ideas in Colombia. It's been incredibly inspirational to see all the Colombian institutions coming together, sharing their knowledge, sharing their creativity. There's huge potential for collaboration here. Only together can we tackle some of these enormous challenges that we are facing. But I feel really hopeful for the future that we've got a great group of people who are more than up to the task.